Hello, I'm Carmen Kruchling. Welcome to my presentation. Today I will talk about how UI and UX concepts are applied in a programmable coffee machine. I will explain how these ideas make the machine easy and enjoyable to use. And at the end, I will also share the benefits and some downsides of the machine. Let's begin. This is a coffee machine designed to make brewing coffee simple and easy for everyone while still giving options for customization. UI, which means user interface, and UX, which stands for user experience, are very important. These concepts help to make the machine easy to use and practical. For a product like coffee machine, it's important that it works fast, is simple to understand, and is enjoyable to use every day. Let's start with the UI, which is the user interface. This is what the user sees and the interacts with on the machine. First is the visual hierarchy. One great example is the Start button. It's larger than the other buttons and placed in the center. This makes it easy to notice and use for standing the coffee brewing process. Second, typography. The text on the screen is big and very clear, so users can quickly read the information, like coffee strange or the next step in the process. Third, color scheme and contrast. The and screen are designed with high contrast, meaning the colors stand from each other. This is very helpful, especially in dim lighting of a users with poor eyesight. Icons and labels. Simple and clear icons, like for coffee strange or cup size, make it easy to choose options. You don't have to read long descriptions to understand what each button does. Now let's move to UX, or user experience. This is about how the machine feels to use and how easy it is for the user to complete task. First, the user flow. These steps are very simple. Place for cup, pick the strength and size, and press start. That's it. There are no confusing menus or extra steps, so even first-time users can easily make coffee. The machine gives feedback to let user know what's happening. For example, it makes a sound when the coffee is ready, and the screen shows the message that it says coffee is ready. This keeps the user informed at all times. The personalization. In touchscreen, let the touchscreen lets users set their preferences, like how strong they want their coffee or how much to brew. This way, every user can make coffee just the way they like it. And the onboarding. For first-time users, the machine has a setup guide. It walks the users through the basic settings step by step, which makes starting with the machine very easy and stress-free. Now let's talk about what makes this coffee machine great and why it could be improved. The advantages, it's very simple to use, even for people who never used a programmable coffee machine before. The design is ergonomic, which means all the controls are easy to reach places. And the high contrast and large fonts make it user-friendly, even for people with poor vision. The disadvantages, just the touchscreen can get dirty with fingerprints, which some people might find annoying, and the sound signal is made to be too loud for quiet places like an office or a small apartment. Here is why the coffee machine is better than others when it comes to UI and UX. Simple design, the interface is easy to understand even for beginners or old users. Customization options, the touchscreen allows users to make coffee exactly how they like it, improving satisfaction. Accessibility, high contrast, clear labels, and ergonomic design make the machine suitable for everyone, including people with disabilities. Clear feedback. The sounds and messages on the screen keep users informed so they're never confused about what's happening. And stress-free process. The steps are make coffee a straightforward, which makes the experience enjoyable. Modern features, it's combined advanced technology with a practical design, so it's both stylish and functional. In conclusion, this programmable coffee machine is a great example of how UI and UX design can improve everyday life. It's simple, customable, and user-friendly, While there are small downsides like fingerprint on the screen, the benefits such as easy to use and great personalization are far more important. I hope this presentation has shown how much of difference good UI and UX can make in product we use every day. Thank you for your listening.